Hello everyone. Welcome to the Milesight tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to use the built-in network server on the Milesight LoRaWAN gateway to manage your end devices. First, from the main interface, click Packet Forwarder and configure the frequency band on the radio page. Make sure the center frequency and channels match the LoRa settings of your end devices. Then, click Network Server on the left. On the General Setting page, enable the gateway's built-in network server option and save the changes. Application is a logical container for your devices. Go to Applications page and click Add to create one. For now, create it as a placeholder. We'll configure data transmission later. The gateway includes a built-in payload codec library for all Milesight LoRaWAN devices, so data is decoded automatically. For third-party devices, you can create a custom payload codec instead. Next, verify that the existing profiles match your device's LoRaWAN parameters. Milesight gateway ships with 12 pre-configured profiles. Also, you can add a custom profiles. Now go to Device page and click Add to register a LoRaWAN end device. Fill in the required information for device registration. Fill in the device EUI. This can be found on the device label. Then give the device a recognizable name. Select the corresponding device profile and the application you just created. For OTA mode, enter the application key. If you haven't changed the default app key on the device, select default value directly in the NS. Otherwise, choose custom value and enter the modified app key manually. The timeout setting determines how long the NS waits before confirming a LoRa device as offline. Adjust this value as needed based on your device's uplink interval. Click Save and Apply to finish. When the status changes to online, the device has joined successfully. You can also check the packet log under the Packets page to verify that data has reached the NS. Once devices are online, go to Network Server Applications and open the application you created earlier to configure data transmission to your server. For MQTT integration, fill in the broker address, port, client ID, and credentials. Then select the data types and QoS level to publish. Alternatively, use HTTP or HTTPS to forward data. Add custom HTTP headers if needed. Select the data types to push, enter your server URL. Click Save to confirm.